Good evening, everybody. Once again, it's the Emerging Tech Educator, back to talk about which tech is going to emerge next. So speaking of emerging tech, the XR Hands package from Unity is a perfect example of just a great way to extend some of our projects. Controllers are nice, but hand tracking is kind of a whole nother level. So first I'm going to talk about how to set it up. And then I'm going to show you an actual example of hand tracking in this VR scene that you see pictured on your screen. So the first thing that we need to do is under camera offset, under XR origin, we're going to create an empty game object and name it hand visualizer. Then we're going to add the hand visualizer component, which gives us a script. Then we're going to go back to the XR hands folder and we're going to go to models. And then we're going to drag the left hand and the right hand models over. Can create a new material. I created a blue material. We're going to check the box draw meshes. Then we're going to go back to hand visualizer and prefabs. Select our game object again. And then we're going to drag the joint and the velocity. And velocity type is none. And then we're basically going to save this. And now, once we do that, you also need to enable hand tracking in your particular headset. But one of the things you can check is the ability to slightly bang your controllers together and get the hands, or when you put your controllers down, you will see the hands. So let's check this out in the next scene.
Hello, everybody. Once again, it's the Emerging Tech Educator. So in this particular installment, we're going to be talking about the XR Hands package in Unity. So check this out. Here are our controllers. We knocked them together. And here are the XR hands. As you can see, I've applied a blue material to the hands. And we can use them with the controllers, or we can put the controllers down and we can basically use the hands without controllers, which is very helpful in terms of navigating around. But as you can see, I mean, the tracking, really is perfect.
So again, as you can see, the tracking itself is perfect, and you can use the hands with the controllers, or you can put the controllers down on a flat surface and use the hands without any controllers. And that, I think, offers quite a lot of promise in terms of engaging with objects, grabbing objects, and so forth. So anyway, I hope that this video was helpful, and I will be back soon with another iteration from the Emerging Tech Educator. Thank you. Good night.